My name is Gebremariam. I am the Deputy Scientific Director of the Institute. I did my PhD in the area of geospatial technology applications. I've been working at this institute since 2011. So I am preparing for my sabbatical leave, as I have served close to 7 years. Currently, geospatial technology is applied to solve various socio-economic and natural resource management challenges. And I applied this technology to solve regional level and food security calculations. We apply this technology in this institute at various levels, starting from the undergraduate program and postgraduate programs at both master's and PhD level. To start with urban regional planning bachelor program through our CAD and Geoinformatics, provide courses like surveying, photogrammetry, GIS and others. We apply also the technology for urban focused courses as well. So in the introductory and advanced GIS courses, students will be introduced about the technology, geospatial technology, GIS and remote sensing tools, and later on they apply them to solve various challenges like urban renewal, urban planning and similar concepts that need this technological set of action applications. The GIS courses, the students will be acquainted with surveying and photogrammetry courses at various levels. This will help them to do better land measurements and analyze different data sets, raster and vector data sets into their planning actions. And on postgraduate level, again, advanced GIS will be given for students and application of this. To mention some of the programs: landscape architecture takes GIS courses, architectural engineering also master program of architectural engineering takes these courses, urban design, housing, these different programs, and as well as urban planning at master's level take these various advanced level of GIS courses are given in these programs. And at PhD level, students also will be trained to apply GIS in their research. Among the various research and consultancy activities run by staff members of the chair include advising on land administration issues of the city, and there is a three years agreement is now running out. That project agreement, the municipality, this specific office, received a number of useful documents and a set of trainings which help to work effectively within the system of the city government. And an additional useful research collaboration that we had from the international practice, cooperation between EiABC and the Bauhaus University in Weimar, Germany, working on emerging cities, and GIS and geospatial technologies are applied significantly, and this will help to understand future modeling. So these are the two, at least, most notable research projects going on and consultancy service going on in the chair. As geospatial technology is becoming more and more applicable at various levels in different sectors of economic growth, to see more and more involvement and contribution of this technology, this sector. To do so, we have a strategic plan, and we cascaded from the general strategic plan of the institute. And soon we'll have a specific lab called Geospatial Lab, the lab that will be established soon. And in the lab, we will undertake a number of activities, technology transfer, research, and even tailored trainings that will help various governmental and non-governmental entities. We've listed down the point of interest, and we associated these important pointers with the national and international plans. As you know, in the Sustainable Development Goals under Goal 11, the focus for cities is there. So itself forces us to use a number of geospatial data to apply at different levels. And even at a national level, when we see the GTP2 Goal 5, Pillar 5, focus on urbanization issues. So our plan also synchronizes with this national and international plan, how far these technologies are effectively used so that we can take the maximum out of through this applying these technologies. The knowledge students acquired from the courses given in our chair will help to be very competitive in future way of planning, even construction and design as well. As we know, currently in the case of construction and building technologies, the building information modeling is becoming more and more prominent, and it will definitely dominate future projects, the way things operate. And geospatial technology very associated with this building information modeling system. So students who acquired our courses in our chair will help definitely our students to be competitive in these sectors. EiABC from the very beginning is college working specifically on built environment, and so many practical applied research. We have different applied research outputs within the compound. We work on different kind of design and buildings, stormwater management exercise with hands-on practice. So design and sustainability is one focus area for EiABC. In order to make this happen, we have several international cooperations and partnership from student level. We have different packages. For example, EiSEC operates the national office here, and through EiSEC, a number of exchanges realized. 70 outgoing and incoming student exchange was realized. This is one very important output, mentioning international partnership, and a number of researches have been conducted in the past 10 years. So our mandate in this thematic area can be covered successfully through these practices. Urbanization is the future of this nation, and as our institute focus on built environment urbanization, our institute can play and contribute a lot, be it in design and architecture, at the same time construction and planning. All these fields play a pivotal role for an urbanizing economy. So I advise our students to focus on their studies and be confident that their education is very much needed for the future development, particularly the coming decade globally. urbanization will get the biggest focus in all kind of fundings, the year 2020 to 2030, where most of our graduates are coming out, and also with some of the previous graduates also come up with different experiences. So you're demanded in your skills are demanded in the economy. Continue to work hard, continue to make your connection strong, be it international and at the same time national, and that will be later on good for you, for the institute, and at the same time for your country. As the first institute or college for construction, building and architecture, most of the graduates of this institute are working in the industry as contractors and as architects throughout the nation. The contribution accomplished is really tremendous, and we are hopeful this pace will continue. And currently we've opened a number of graduate programs, mainly to support the expansion of universities in different regional centers. Previously, graduates were prominent in contribute to the economy, and now we are also continuing to elevate the standard of other universities through staff capacity building. So most of the graduates employed in other universities, and now they are doing their graduate studies at our institute, and this link also will continue. So the success that we've achieved in the economy will continue also on the education sector through elevating others.